Hi, I'm Tim.
And this is Easton.
We're going to do another book song for you. We're going to do Five Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed by Eileen Christelow. So join us.
It was bedtime, so 5 little monkeys took the bath. 5 little monkeys put on their pajamas. 5 little monkeys brushed their teeth. 5 little monkeys said goodnight to their mama. Then
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
one fell off and bumped his head.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
One fell off and bumped his head.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
One fell off and bumped their head.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
One fell off and bumped their head.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. Fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
So 5 little monkeys fell fast asleep. Thank goodness, said the mama. Now I can go to bed.
Thanks for joining us. Have a good day.
Bye.